The 2012 Chevy Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, front air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.